Jack, where are your blocks? Where are your blocks? Yeah, right there. Are you going to stack them?
Hi.
Hi. Can we see you stack your blocks? Very good.
I go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 blocks. Very good. 4. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. What's that? Hey, Jack. What sound does a rooster make? That's right. Doodle-doo. What about a sheep? Yeah. What about a duck? Quack, quack. What about a pig? Right. Very good. Jack, what color is this? What color is it? Yellow, that's right. And what about this one? What color is it? Red, that's right. Yeah. You're silly. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.